In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Edge your default browser in Windows 10. So if Microsoft Edge isn't the default browser on Windows, I'm going to show you how to do that very easily. So for example, if your default browser is Opera, Firefox or Chrome, but you want this browser to be default, you have to do the following thing. You have to launch Edge and then go to the three dots over here. You want to hit this and then go all the way down to issue settings. Hit settings once and now you can see all these kind of options of Edge. You want to go to default browser and here the first option is make Microsoft Edge your default browser. You want to hit this once and now you will be redirected to the Windows 10 settings. As you can see, this is the Windows 10 settings and here you can choose the app. For me, right now it's Chrome, but I want to select this one. So you just hit it, and that's everything you have to do. Now the default web browser is Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.